Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Space Impact on Android. First, understand that Space Impact was a classic mobile game originally found on older Nokia phones. To bring this nostalgic experience to your modern Android device, you'll need to use an emulator. This special application mimics the environment of those older phones, allowing you to run the game seamlessly. We'll start by getting the right tools. Next, you'll need to obtain the actual game file, often referred to as a JAR file. This is the digital version of Space Impact itself. A quick online search for Space Impact JAR file download should yield several results. It's crucial to ensure you download from a reputable source to protect your device from any unwanted software. Once found, save this file to an easily accessible folder on your Android phone. Now let's set up your emulator. Head to your Android App Store and search for a J2Me emulator, then install one. Once installed, open the emulator application. You'll typically find an option like Load Game or Open JAR File within its menu. Navigate through your phone's storage to the folder where you saved the Space Impact JAR file and select it. The emulator will then begin to process the game. With the game loaded, Space Impact should now be visible and ready to play on your Android screen. The emulator provides virtual on-screen buttons that mimic the original phone's keypad, allowing you to control your spaceship and fire. Feel free to explore the emulator settings. You might find options to adjust screen size, sound, or even control mapping for a more personalized and enjoyable retro gaming experience. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.